أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ثم بعثنا من بعده رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فما كانوا ليؤمنوا بما كذبوا به من قبل كذلك نطبع على قلوب المعتدين.
Then, after him, we sent messengers to their people. They came to them with the clear proofs, but they would not believe in anything they had already rejected. Thus we set a seal on the hearts of the hostile.